Yeah. So, guys, yesterday I had told you years of mind numbing toil have killed all the initiative and the ability to dream. Yesterday I told you that the people who are living in Firozabad have lost their ability to dream. They never see any kind of dream. Like we, when we are when we are child, we see some dreams like we have to be a doctor, we have to be an engineer, we have to be an civilians, we have to be some government officials like this. So according to that we work hard, we take educations, okay. But the people who are living in Firozabad has lost their ability to dream. They never see dreams. That's why they do only one thing, and that is making bangles. Okay, so the writer suggests them something, and the suggestion is that why not organize yourselves into a cooperative. So she suggests them to organize themselves, okay, and into a cooperative means organize yourself, be a team, do something different, okay. And I ask a group of young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers. Actually, the problem is that the fault is not of the people who are living in Firozabad only. Okay, it is actually they have been the victim of middlemen. They have been a victim of मिडिल मैन जो होते हैं यानी कि थोड़े हाई स्टेटस के जो अमीर लोग हैं थोड़े से, ठीक है। कौन कौन है वो अभी आगे उनका जिक्र आएगा कि इन मिडिल मैन के अंदर कौन कौन शामिल है। तो एक तरीके से हम इन्हें करप्ट पीपल भी कह सकते हैं, मिडिल मैन को करप्ट पीपल भी हम कह सकते हैं, हु नेवर वांट द पीपल ऑफ फिरोजाबाद टू सी dreams, to do something different, to take education and to get success. They want that they should do only bangle making and nothing else. Some new students joined the class. Please tell me your name for the attendance. Like Asma Abdi, Arisha Imran, Nazreen Zahra are already in the class. Three new students joined the class. Please tell me your name, only then I will be able to mark your attendance. Tell me fast, everybody. So I ask a group of young, yes, middlemen. So what have the middlemen do? What have the middlemen done? They trapped their fathers and forefathers. उन्होंने ट्रैप किया हुआ है. They have trapped, मतलब अपने जाल में फंसा रखा है, उस जाल से उनको निकलने ही नहीं देते. Even if we get organized, we are the ones who will be hauled up by the police, beaten and dragged to jail for doing something illegal, they say. And they are afraid that even if they organize themselves, okay, so they will be tortured by the police, and the police will beat them and drag them to jail for doing something illegal. What illegal? Bangle making, they say, because child labor is going on in Firozabad and child labor is illegal, so they cannot make an organization of this thing, okay. Because if they make an organization of child labor and the police comes to know about that, they will drag them to jail. There is no leader among them. Actually a leader is very important for anyone to see, to show the path or to guide them, okay. So Atiya Barshad has recently joined us, okay. So there is no leader among them. This is also a reason that all the people are blindly doing only one work, because there is no leader. if there is any leader to show the path, to guide towards the right path, it is very easy to do something different and new, but there is no leader there, so everybody is doing the same thing blindly. No one could help them see things differently. Their fathers are as tired as they are. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. Only these are the things which have been written in their luck. What are those things? Poverty, apathy, greed, and injustice. Okay, they never come out from poverty. पॉवर्टी कहते हैं गरीबी को. एपैथी दुखों से निकल पाते वो कभी अपनी लाइफ से. ग्रीड मीन्स टू बी ओवर एम्बिशियस, लालची हो जाना. एंड इनजस्टिस, दे आर जो उनके साथ अन्याय हो रहा है उससे भी वो कभी बाहर नहीं निकल पाते. So listening to them, I see two distinct worlds, one of the family caught in a web of poverty, burdened by the stigma of caste in which they are born. So the writer tells us that when I talked to Mukesh, I felt that there are two different kinds of worlds in Firozabad, means two different kinds of people. World here means two different kind of peoples. One of the family caught in a web of poverty, the very first one, which is people who are caught in a web of poverty. Okay, and burdened by the stigma of caste, they have a lot of burden of by the stigma of caste, means due to take birth in Bengal making families, they are burdened to do the same thing in which they are born. The other a vicious circle of साहूकार्स. अब देखिए ये मिडिल मैन है सारे जो इन लोगों को दबा कर रखते हैं, कभी इस निचले तबके से उठने का उनको मौका नहीं देते. उसमें पहली चीज़ कौन है? साहूकार्स, जो हमेशा इनके ऊपर जुल्म सितम करते हैं. साहूकार्स द मिडिल मैन, पुलिसमैन, keepers of law, okay, and the bureaucrats and the politicians. So these all are middlemen and they are dominating the people of Firozabad for a very long time. They do not allow them to see dreams. They do not allow them to see things differently. They do not allow them to do any other work rather than Bengal making. ठीक है, एक तरीके से इन लोगों ने उन्हें अपना गुलाम बना रखा है, उनकी सोच को बांध दिया है कि तुम सिर्फ बेंगल मेकिंग ही कर सकते हो, इसके सिवा तुम्हारे कुछ बस का नहीं है. ठीक है, तो परदादा से लेकर परपोतों तक सब बेंगल मेकिंग का वर्क ही करते हैं, इससे अलावा कोई कुछ सोचता ही नहीं. टुगेदर they have imposed the baggage on the child that he cannot put down. Okay, together means all these people have together imposed the baggage on the child. बच्चे के ऊपर ये बच्चों के ऊपर उन्होंने ये बोझ सबने मिलकर लादा है कि बेटे तुझे यही करना है, which he cannot put down. Okay, before he is aware he accepts it as naturally as his father, and this burden is given to him in his childhood itself. That's why he accepts it very easily and thinks that it is his entire life and he has to do the same thing as his father. To do anything else would mean to dare, and daring is not part of his growing up. The one thing that is not taught to the children living in Firozabad, that is daring, हिम्मत करना. Okay, this is not the part of their life. They never dare to think differently. They never dare to do something else. They never dare to come out of poverty. They never dare to leave Firozabad and to go somewhere else to learn something, to get education. Nothing. When I sense a flash of it in Mukesh, I am cheered. But the writer says that I saw this quality in the character of Mukesh. He had ability to think different. He had ability to see what others are not able to see and to do something different from their families. Like, I want to be a motor mechanic. He is not willing to do the work of bangle making. What does he want to be? He wants to be a motor mechanic. It proves that he has ability to dream, he has ability to think different, and he has ability to come out of that poverty, greed, injustice, etc. He repeats, and he repeats this thing a lot of times. He will go to a garage and learn. He said that he will go to a garage and learn motor mechanism, but the garage is a long way from his home. So the writer said the uh, the garage is the garage is far away from your home. How will you go there? You don't have a cycle, you don't have a bike, so how will you go there? He simply replied, I will walk. मैं पैदल चलकर ही जाऊंगा. It simply means that Mukesh is determined and he has promised himself to do something different. Doesn't matter how much hard work he will have to do. Okay, he insists, do you also dream of flying a plane? So the writer thought that I should check whether how different he can think, and he tried to ask him whether he can fly a plane or not. He is suddenly silent. No, he says, staring at the ground. In his small murmur, there is an embarrassment that has not yet turned into regret. He is content to dreams of cars that he sees hurtling down the streets of his town. He was not willing to fly the plane. His dreams are still limited. Though he has seen a dream, but still he is limited. He wants to live only on earth, and he wants to drive only a car. He does not want to fly a plane. But he is a child. If he is thinking or he is dreaming of driving or learning a car, it is possible that when he grows up, he will dream to fly a plane as well. Chapter is over. Few airplanes fly over Firozabad. The reason is that probably the reason is that he sees aeroplanes very less times, because a few एरोप्लेन्स फ्लाई ओवर फिरोज़ाबाद. जब उसे वो चीज़ नज़र ही नहीं आती तो उसको देख के वो सपना क्या देखे. बहुत कमी से कभी कभार एक आधा प्लेन नज़र आ जाता है तो आ जाता है, तो वो उसके बारे में सोचता नहीं है ज़्यादा. ओके गाइस, तो ये वाला चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है. देखिए एक बार मैं बता देता हूँ. द स्टूडेंट्स who joined the class very late, listen to me. The chapter was Lost Spring, okay, and its subtitle was Stories of Stolen Childhood. So this is the main title, Lost Spring, and this is the subtitle, Stories of Stolen Childhood. And this chapter is written by Anis Jung, and Anis Jung is an Indian writer, and probably by the name you will think that he is a male writer, but no, she is a lady. Like here, she received her education in Hyderabad and in the United States of America. Now let me tell you that this chapter was divided into two parts. Sometimes the first part is, sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage, okay, and this part was based on the story of Sahib Alam, who was a rag picker, and in the end of the story he became a tea boy. Okay, and the second part, second part is I want to drive a car. This story is based on the life of Mukesh, and both these stories show poverty, injustice, and yeah, these two things. Okay, these are the question answers. We will do them later, but till then just hold on because the chapter is over. Just hold on guys for a minute. Let me find another thing. mm. Yes, students, I am just asking you some questions because your PA1 will be conducted online probably. Okay, so I am asking you some questions. If you answer them properly, it means you are going to get good marks in online examinations. So my first question is, who is the author of Lost Spring? And you have to answer me in the chat section. Come on fast. अरे यार राइटर का नाम हटा दो यहाँ से. Who is the author of Lost Spring? Boys, please type in the chat section fast. Asma Abidi replied Anis Jung. Atya Barshad replied Anis Jung. Very good. The answer is correct. The second question is this story is an excerpt or extract from which book of the author? I am repeating my question. This story is an excerpt or extract from which book of the author? The options are the options are Unveiling India, Breaking the Silence, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood, or The Song of India. Give me reply fast. Hello? Give me reply fast, boys. Atya Barshad replied Story of Stolen Childhood. Asma Abdi replied Lost of Spring. You are making some mistakes. You have picked the right answer but writing wrong. Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. It will be written like this, because the main title is Lost Spring and its subtitle is Stories of Stolen Childhood. Okay, but still you tried good, not bad. Okay, so my third question is, what does the author analyze in the story? I am repeating my question. What does the author analyze in the story? The answers are rich people, second, garbage, third, poor children and their exploitation, and fourth, her works. I am repeating the options: rich people, garbage, poor children and their exploitation, or her works. Reply fast, boys. Hello. Come on, reply fast. Atiya Varshad replied, poor children and their exploitation, or garbage. Your first answer is correct. Garbage is wrong. First answer is correct. Poor children and their exploitation. Asma Abdi also gave the same answer. Only Asma Abdi and Atiyab are giving answers. What about others? Sabahat, Nazreen, Zahra, what are you doing? Why are you not replying? My next question is, what is the central theme of the story Lost Spring? I am repeating my question. What is the central theme of the story Lost Spring? The options are pitiable poor children and their lost childhood, B. Garbage, C. Sahib and Mukesh, fourth, spring season. I am repeating my options: pitiable poor children and their lost childhood, second, garbage, third, Sahib and Mukesh, fourth, spring season. Reply fast. Hello. Come on, Atiyab. Give me the answer. क्या हुआ भाई, समझ में नहीं आया क्या क्वेश्चन? Boys, girls, should I repeat the question again? Tell me, why are you not replying? Hello, can you repeat option? I am repeating the whole question again. Listen carefully. What is the central theme of the story Lost Spring? What is the central theme of the story Lost Spring? Options: poor children and their lost childhood. Option B, garbage. Option C, Sahib and Mukesh. Option D, spring season. Now tell me fast which option is correct. Option 1, Atiya Parshad. Okay, very good. This is the correct answer. Poor children and their lost childhood. Question number 5. What forces the children to live a life of exploitation? What forces the children to live a life of exploitation? Your options are greed, extreme poverty, peers, or parents. First option is greed, second option is extreme poverty, third option is peers, and fourth option is parents. Atiya Parshad replied extreme poverty. Okay, very good. Asma Abdi also gave the same answer. Very good. बट और कोई जवाब ही नहीं दे रहा, दो बच्चों के अलावा. Now next question. According to the author, what was garbage for the parents? I am repeating my question. According to the author, what was garbage for the parents? Your options are means of entertainment, means of joy, means of sorrow, means of survival. Give me answer fast, please. आतिया भी ने अपने दोस्तों वगैरह को पकड़ के लाओ भाई ऑनलाइन क्लास में, इनसे कहना मैं दोबारा दोबारा नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा कोई भी चैप्टर. जो चैप्टर मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास में करा दूंगा वो ऑफलाइन में नहीं कराऊंगा. कभी ये सोचे बैठे हों कि जब स्कूल खुलेंगे तो सर से दोबारा समझ लेंगे. Asma Abdi said option 4 and Atiya Parshad reply please. Atiya. Means of entertainment, means of joy, means of sorrow, means of survival. Which one is correct? Survival. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now let's talk about the next one. According to the author, what was garbage for the children? Option 1, means of entertainment. 2, means of time pass. 3, means of playing. 4th, a wonder. Tell me. अतिया बर्शेट 2, दोनों ने दूसरा बताया है। क्या थे ऑप्शंस? मीन्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, मीन्स ऑफ टाइम पास, मीन्स ऑफ प्लेइंग अ वंडर। इसमें जो ऐसे सच बताऊं, जो चीज़ इस बुक में बता रखी थी वो तो ऑप्शन दे नहीं रखा। उनके लिए वो गोल्ड था, गार्बेज वॉज गोल्ड फॉर देम, लेकिन वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं दे रखा इसमें। और ये तीनों मिलते जुलते से ही हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट, टाइम पास और प्लेइंग। अब दूसरा लगाया है तो दूसरा भी ठीक लग रहा है मुझे और पहला भी ठीक लग रहा है, मीन्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। हु वाज साहिब? योर ऑप्शंस आर अ शॉपकीपर, अ सर्वेंट, अ रैग पिकर और ऑल। I am repeating. Who was Sahib? Options are a shopkeeper, a servant, a rag picker, and all. Atiya Varshad said all. Asma Abdi, what do you say? Asma, tell me first, what do you say about this question? Shopkeeper, servant, rag picker, or all? Option 3, rag picker. Asma Abdi is correct. He was a rag picker. Rag picker कहते हैं कूड़े के ढेर में से वो जो चीज़ें बीन बीन के अपने कट्टे में भरते रहते हैं ना बच्चे, कबाड़ी जिन्हें बोलते हैं हम लोग, वो था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट वाज साहिब लुकिंग फॉर? व्हाट वाज साहिब लुकिंग फॉर? द ऑप्शंस आर eggs, B gold, C coins, and D toys. I am repeating my question. What was Sahib looking for? First eggs, second option gold, third option coins, and fourth option toys. Tell me, what is the answer of this question? What was Sahib looking for? First option eggs, second option gold, third option coins, and fourth option toys. Tell me first. Coins. Asma Abdi replied coins. Atiya Barshad, what do you say? Eggs, gold, coins, or toys? Atiya also saying coins. But the correct answer of this question is gold, because the garbage for the children was gold. Sometimes they find some coins also there. So its correct answer is B, gold. Your next question is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? I am repeating my question. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Your options are yes, B, yes he earns money, C, no earnings, and D, no earning but no freedom. आई एम रिपीटिंग माई क्वेश्चन. Is Sahab happy working at the tea stall? And your options are yes. Second option, yes, because he earns money. Option C, no, because he does not earn anything. And option 4, no, he earns money but he has no freedom. Asma and Atiya both selected option 2, yes, because he earns money, but this is also wrong answer. आई थिंक आप दोनों ने शायद जब मैंने इसका पहला पार्ट पढ़ाया था तो उस वक्त शायद आपने क्लास अटेंड नहीं की होगी, इसीलिए आप गड़बड़ कर रहे हो. ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी एट he was not happy working at the tea stall because he was earning a little much money but he had no freedom. तो इसका जो ऑप्शन आएगा वो करेक्ट 4 आएगा, नो, कॉमा लगाकर ही अर्न्स मनी बट ही हैज़ नो फ्रीडम. ओके, तो इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखना अगर एग्ज़ाम में वाला क्वेश्चन आ जाता है ऑनलाइन में. तो द टाइम इज़ ओवर, chapter is over, and we have solved 10 question answers. Now I will see you in the next class on Monday. Okay, till then goodbye and Allah Hafiz. And आप अतियब जितने भी तुम्हारे ये दोस्त हैं सबसे कहो भाई ऑनलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन करें, समझे नहीं? क्योंकि अभी पता नहीं है कब तक होंगी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. कहीं ऐसा ना हो जैसे पिछले साल हो गया था इंटर वालों के साथ, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ही मैंने पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट करा दिया था और उन लोगों ने क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं की थी. सिर्फ 2-4 बच्चे से तुम कर रहे हो ऐसे ही करते थे, बाद में बहुत पछताए मैंने नहीं कराया उनको दोबारा क्लास में. 2 बार मेहनत नहीं करूँगा मैं एक ही चैप्टर पर. उनसे समझाओ ये बात, उन्हें लेकर आओ क्लास में, किसी सूरत से कन्विंस करो उन्हें सबको. ठीक है, चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.